is Kale and I am back to do another video for you guys. Okay, well, I did this video before and I just showed you the specs or whatever and how it looked in my head. But this is a full-blown tutorial for you guys because I'm nice, right? I'm so nice. But anyways, I decided to do a full tutorial on the Outre for a kinky hair. I will be putting that somewhere here so y'all can see exactly what the package looked like. I absolutely love this style. It is gorgeous. So let me give y'all the specs because that's what I do. So I use approximately like 3.5 packs. Now I had a pack left over from last time I did it. I used a 2 in a color. Ooh, I want to say this is 625. If I am wrong, I will put that in the description box or somewhere like in here so y'all can really see the color that I use, this red color that I use. It is gorgeous. I didn't put that much in the back because I'm not a big fan of color, but I absolutely love this hair and it did not take long. Just braided my hair, but just always braid my hair. So pretty much what I got like 11 straight backs in the front and a beehive in the back. That is normally the braid pattern that I like because it lets your crochet braid stay a little longer than the braidless, whatever. The braidless is cool if y'all want a quick little week to 2 week style, but if you want to have it up for a good amount of time, which I plan on keeping this up for a month, yeah. And I plan on working out and all that stuff because I gotta get fit and stuff. So this is it, and if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, stay tuned to the next clip. Alright you guys, as you can see, I'm pretty much putting the crochet hook through my braid, putting the hair in the hole, sliding it through, and then the hole at the top, separate that, and then put it through the hole 2 or 3 times. That is pretty much all I do, and that is how you do a regular crochet, and that is pretty much what I did throughout my entire head until I got to the part. And here I am again, just sliding the hair through, putting the hair through the hole 2 or 3 times. I like to do it 2 or 3 times just so it won't slide out. I have never had a crochet hair come out of my head, but that is pretty much my way of securing it for myself. But that's pretty much all that I do. Slide it through the braid, that hole in the top, put it through 2 or 3 times, and that's it. When I showed you guys the review on the hair before, I showed you guys how the hair comes in bundles, and so it has like 8 or 9 strands inside of the bundle. And so pretty much I just take the rubber band off the bundle, and then because the hair is already separated, I just put it through my hair that way so I do not have to separate my hair at the end. But that is pretty much all I do for my regular crochet. Okay, you guys, here I am with the invisible part. So pretty much all I do is I put the hair in going towards your part in the middle, and of course I pull the hair through, separate the hole, and only put 1 strand of the hair through and loop it 2 to 3 times. That's pretty much how you do that to have the invisible part. So when you lay it down, it will go in direction that you want it to go. So you put the crochet needle in going towards the part, put the hair through, and then 1 strand, not 2, just 1, and then of course you loop it 2 to 3 times as usual. Pull it through, and of course it lays over flat like the other way to make an appearance of an invisible part. I'm going to show you one more time. So yes, put it through the hair, pull it through, separate the hole, put 1 strand through it, and then of course loop it through 2-3 times, and that is it. Okay, this is the other side of the part. This process is a little bit more trickier just because of the fact that it's hard to not get the other hair from the other part inside of your loop. So I will be struggling a little bit with this, but it's still the same process. Put the crochet hook in towards the middle of the part. So we're going the other way this time. And of course, put the hair through the braid, open up the hole, and of course slide one side through. It is the same process. It's just a little bit harder just because sometimes you will be grabbing hair from the other part, but it is still the same exact process. Stick the needle through. As you guys can see, I was having a hard time anyways. Stick the needle through to the middle of the part, put the hair into the hole of the needle, close it up, slide it through, find the hole on the other end, and only put in one strand of the other side, and of course loop it on up 2 to 3 times. I know y'all tired of hearing that, but that's what you do, and knot it, and that's pretty much it.